Hi guys, today we've got a bit of a team order. Only one thing for me, Mark's got some training in the other bit, where I've got another solar light. Now I've got a few problems with this already. I've got quite a few of these, and there's not a lot of room on the pole. So let's go and see what we can do with that before we open it. So guys, this is a pole I put all my solar stuff on. You can see we've got a few bits on there already, and it's pretty full at the moment. Got the new light to put on there. I think what I'm going to have to do is take that top panel off and yeah, put it up there somehow. Let's go and open the box, find out what we've got. Okay guys, we're going to have a look what's in the box now. Yeah, all pretty standard. Got the instruction book there. Anybody bother with these guys? Now, what we ought to do with that is, that's that gone. This one is quite a big panel. I think it was 240 LEDs on there. Let's have a look, see if it's got any power in. Three different modes on it. That's really dark, so that's saying there's not a lot of power in there. You've got the mode button there, and you've got that much on the panel for lead. I think there might be a stand in there with it as well. And there's a solar panel, guys. Small for charging all them lights, but you don't need a lot with these. And you got plenty of lead on that one. That's what we buy them for. You can attach these and put them inside, charge them up outside, then use them at night inside. Got the stands. Oh, trying to put it on the wrong way. There we go. That just stands, and you just screw it through the holes there with the screws provided. That's supposed to sit on your wall then. Of course we don't do that. Got your remote control. Just remember to pull that little plastic thing out, then it'll work. No, it won't, Mike. Why is this not working now? Oh, I'll figure that out in a minute. And we got the white box. We got the screws and the other stand for the actual light itself. Right, the problem I've got, like I showed you earlier. So I'm going to put this. I'm now going to put this on the stick that I've got to put them on. I'm not really sorted this one out yet, guys. It's going to go on there though and replace that one. The only problem is stopping it waving about in the wind. So I think cable tie through them 2 holes and just stick it on there once I've taken this one off. Okay guys, we're going to take this panel off first. Easy enough. Put the 2 ties that's on with. Right, we got the other one. What I think we're going to do is put one of them on the front, one on the back, and hopefully that's just going to hold it tight enough for it to stop where it is. Or am I going to rethink this one? Got a hole all the way through there. Can we tie it up with the holes? Change your plan, guys. We're just going to use the one. Through the 2 holes, through the middle hole on the pole. Right, we've tied it on. One deliberate mistake I've made, I've put it on upside down. Wasn't actually a deliberate mistake. Oh, I've put it all on upside down. Right, so it wasn't going to be perfect on this channel, but hey, rookie mistake. Start all over again. What we're going to do, guys, through that one and through the bar, back through the hole, the panelling, and just do the tie up. And get it tight, it should stop there. I'll leave it, I think. Oh. A little bit more. Yeah, I don't think that's going to go far now, guys. That's not going to work. But it's just pulled over. What we're going to do to stop this now? Okay guys, I've had to put another one over the top. Another one that ties over the top, just to keep it level. Just going all over the place. So let's see if it works. The lead, guys, we've got loads of these leads. So yeah, it's just screw it down there. No charging light or anything. Yeah, just give it the rest of the day and see what it's like tonight, like. So yeah, how to install a solar panel light if you want it for inside rather than outside. Guys, I don't know why they put these just for outside, because they make them like that with one of those on. You can use these inside. We've got the old one here. We've had this about 3-4 years now. A little bit bigger, that one. That goes out every day, charges up at night time. Yeah, it's great. Keeps all the living room bright enough for watching TV and stuff. If you're going to do writing or something, you probably need the big light on, but saves us a fortune in electric. So I'm just going to put this one up on the shelf here. Doesn't matter about that being in the shade, it's just the panel needs to be in the sun. Got the old ones here. They're just your normal garden ones. But yeah, they're just about at it now, I think. They've been charged up that many times. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next video, guys. Bye.